Dear MSD families, I am coming to you today with an update on our Bespoke Gene Therapy Consortium, which is advancing our AAV9 gene therapy toward a first-in-human clinical trial. As the executive director of the United MSD Foundation, I always strive to share news with transparency, compassion, and unwavering hope. We know how eagerly you anticipate a firm date for trial enrollment. I must share that the process of planning for a clinical trial of this magnitude has been slower and more complex than anyone had initially anticipated. Over the past few months, we have encountered delays related to the manufacturing of the specialized vector required for the therapy. Because of these necessary but time-consuming steps to ensure the utmost safety and quality of the therapeutic product, we do not have an updated timeline or an expected trial enrollment date to share at this time. This news is deeply disappointing, and I want you to know we feel the weight of this uncertainty alongside you. Despite the recent challenges, please hold on to this essential truth. The MSD gene therapy project remains a top priority for the entire team, including the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and the Foundation for the NIH. Our commitment to the community is absolute and unwavering. In fact, out of all the rare diseases currently within the Bespoke pipeline, the MSD project is the farthest along in the regulatory and preparatory process. We are working tirelessly, accelerating the process with our research partners, and the finish line, the goal of initiating first-in-human clinical trials, will absolutely be reached. I want you to know that I continue to advocate on your behalf because I understand the deep urgency. Your children are incredibly special to all of us at the United MSD Foundation. And this is more than just a project. It is our mission. We will not let you down. As you may have seen in the news, the US government is currently undergoing a shutdown, and I want to address how this affects our progress. The good news is that critical, currently active contracts, such as our manufacturing agreement and the work being done to write the investigative new drug or IND application to the FDA, can continue. However, the shutdown has caused a complete halt to all communication to our dedicated NIH collaborators, as they have been furloughed. So they are not at work right now. They cannot answer emails. They cannot join in meetings. If this shutdown is brief, lasting only a few days or even a single week, we do not anticipate a significant or irreversible delay to our overall clinical trial timeline. If, however, the shutdown extends for weeks or even months, it will negatively impact our progress by severely disrupting the critical regulatory and scientific collaboration needed to file the IND application. We strongly encourage our congressional officials and the president to work together with urgency to end this shutdown quickly. I promise to keep you informed of the status of the shutdown and its impact on the clinical trial progress as we hear more. During this time of uncertainty, please know that the United MSD Foundation staff remains fully focused on our core purpose, supporting our patient community. While our clinical progress may fluctuate, our focus on your daily needs, resources, and community connections never will. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me or any member of our staff if we can assist you in any way. We are a family, and we will face every challenge together, anchored by our love for our children and our deep commitment to a future where they can thrive. I'm going to sign off with love and the deepest gratitude for your enduring strength and support for one another. And I thank you for your work, your advocacy, and everything you do to keep this organization and the patient community alive and well until we can finally say that we have cured MSD.